Hi friends, today I'm going to make this painting. My painting name is Autumn Tree by the Moon. Let's go! To make this painting, you can ask your mom or dad to make these dots. And then you can start painting. Now I'm done with the pink. Now I can blend purple. Gently move your brush between the pink and purple's joint to blend the colors. Now I'm going to make sky. You need 3 colors. First you need light blue and then a bit darker and then black. A bit of black. Now I'm done with the sky. Now I'm going to blend gently over here. Now I'm done with the background. First, you need to mix just a tiny bit of water to the paint so it becomes a bit more liquid for the stars. You can use a hair dryer to dry it or leave it for 1 hour to dry. And then we'll do the second step. Let's draw the moon. We'll start with this bowl and this chalk. First, I gotta put this bowl on, then trace around with a chalk. The moon is now done. We have to wait for it to dry to do the next step. And it's all dry. I made a very dark brown with mixing a bit of black with the brown. Now I can start. Now I have to do the tree trunk. You need light brown for the tree trunk. And make sure you dab your brush. And to make light brown, you get dark brown and mix white, or you just get light brown. And you gotta go very lightly. Now I just need to do some shading. You can do 1 and 2 and 3 lines before spreading the shade. It's better if you go horizontal, like I am. Now it's time to do the flowers. It's all dry. First you need to get some paint on your earbuds and then dab it on a tissue. And then you can get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.